So we have had several. We have had several water leaks, flood, biohazard, big spills. We attend them really, really quick. Is sometimes the same day, sometimes just 15, 20 minutes, or even here in the office, one of us just run out there and we clean it. We're really fast at responding. Here at Cleaning Up, it really is. We try to help our clients as best possible. If we have quality control managers. If none of them can go out there, it's either me, Jose, or Ruby. We just run out there. We clean it really quick and we do our best possible. But yes, it is 15 to 20 minutes. We have had situations, Biohazard in Lawrence, and in the next 30 minutes, we have been out there and cleaned everything that has to be cleaned. So if it's a flood, we try to use like boots for our cleaners. That way they don't get their feet wet and we just extract all the water. If it's biohazard, we even have the bunny suits that we use. Is it blood or vomit or anything like that? We have this type like a sand that picks it up, like all covers it like in a ball, right to the trash can. And we do have this kits for all of the biohazard in all the hospitals, because it's more expected that more throwing up or, blood or those circumstances can occur in the hospitals. We have them in every hospital. But we have had those situations, and we have them here in the warehouse just in case we just have to go get out there, clean it really quick for the client. That way it doesn't affect their operations or nothing. We try to be very consistent and very fast to respond on that.